Welcome back. Now in this lecture, you're gonna get to do an exercise in order to find and most importantly learn how to beat your target competitors. Let's dive in. Finding and beating your target competitors works in a simple three-step manner. Step number one is to find your biggest direct competitors. Just the same way we did when we were looking for our target platforms, we need to understand who our direct competitors are by Googling them, looking at their website and making sure that they are not only selling the same product or service that we are selling, but also making sure that they are not selling a bunch of more things. In other words, you need to Google your competitors, go through their websites very carefully and make sure that you are selling as similarly products and services as possible. Step number two is to analyze everything they're doing. That means going to their website, look at how are they communicating with their audience, in what language are they using, what content are they using, what products are they selling, how are they writing their product descriptions, everything. Analyze how they are successful at what they're doing. Remember, they are already selling to the targeted audience that you are looking to sell to. They are ahead of you. Learn from them in order to get ahead of them. And then finally, step number three, which is copy and improve what they're doing. So now when we understand them and we're learning from them, we need to copy what they're doing because they are already successful and then improve what they're doing. So in order for you to understand what to look for and how to improve that to beat your competitors, we have created a template for you. You will find this template in the resources, and in the upper part you will learn what to look for when analyzing your competitors. So that means going into their website and looking at their website text. What kind of language are they using? How are they writing? Their website design, their lead magnets, their product descriptions, their social media posts, email marketing, Google ranking, ads, the values of their company, etc., etc. Analyze everything and look for especially these things. And then finally, how to improve your marketing. So for example, if you want better website text or better lead magnets or better social media posts, for example, then go down in this course to the copywriting section where you will learn how to be better than your competitors in that. Similarly, if you're looking to improve your product descriptions in order to beat your competitors, then go on to the sales psychology section in this course. If you're looking to increase product price and improve your company values, go to the branding section. You want an effective website design, go to the set up your website section. And finally, if you're looking to beat your competitors in advertising and PPC, move on to the Google Ads and Facebook Ads section of the course. Use this template in order to understand what to look for in your competitors, and then finally, how to improve and be better than your competitors. This is a massive course, and every reference that you need in order to be successful in your marketing and beat your competitors already exists in this course. And this is the guide on what to look for and how to be better. Good luck with your market research, and remember, if you have any questions, we will be in the Q&A. Please enjoy, and I'll see you in the next section and lecture of this course.